Class 12 Accountancy Accounting for Partnership Firms. Myself Kishore Chauhan and I welcome to all of you to my channel Guru of Accountancy. Today we will learn methods of preparing partner's capital account and we will also solve few exercises so that you can get practical exposure. Methods of preparing capital accounts of partners. So there are two methods of preparing partners capital account. One is fixed capital account method and second is fluctuating capital account method. Let us see both the methods with exercise. Fixed capital method. Under this method of capital account, opening and closing balance of capital remains same except additional capital introduced by partner or there is a permanent withdrawal of capital by partner. So in fixed capital account method, opening and closing capital remains the same unless and until any additional capital is introduced by any partner or if there is any permanent withdrawal of capital by any of the partner. In this method, we have to prepare two accounts. One is capital account and second is current account. In capital account, we record the balance of capital as well as additional capital and permanent withdrawal of capital if any. All other transactions are recorded in current account. In current account, we record different types of transactions like interest on capital, salary given to partners, commission to partners, bonus given to partner, interest on drawing, share of profit, etc. So, most of the transactions related with the partners are recorded in current account and capital account transactions are recorded in capital account. So in fixed capital account method, you have to prepare two account. One is capital account of partners and second is current account of partners. Format of capital account. So at the top you have to give title partners capital account and if there are two partners you will prepare column in this way particulars A, B, particulars A and B. Even you can also add the column of date before particular, date, particulars A, B, date, particulars A and B. So if there are three partners, you will prepare three column of partners. First of all, on the credit side, you have to write opening capital by balance brought down, opening capital of both the partner. Then, if any partner has introduced additional capital, then it will go on credit side by bank or cash additional capital. And debit side you will write to bank or cash if there is permanent withdrawal of capital by any of the partner. Thereafter you will make the total and find the balance, that will be to balance carried down. If there is no permanent withdrawal of capital or if there is no additional capital introduced by the partner, then only opening and closing capital will remain and it will be the same. So in fixed capital account method, we have to prepare first partners capital account. Then we have to prepare partners current account. Most of the transactions are recorded in partners current account. Let us see the format of partners current account. At the top you have to give title partners current account. Then on credit side, first we will write by balance brought down, that is credit balance of partners current account. And if the current account has debit balance, then you will write on debit side. It is also possible some partners may have credit balance, so you will write on credit side. If some partner has debit balance, then you will write on debit side. So current account may have credit or debit balance. So depending upon the balance, you will write either on the credit side or debit side. Then on credit side, you will write by interest on capital given to the partner, by salary to partner, by commission or bonus given to partner, by share in profit, by profit and loss appropriation account in their profit sharing ratio. So these items will be credited. Debit side, you will write drawing made by the partner, interest on drawing to partner, There you will make the total and you will find the difference. This balance may come on any side. So debit side, if balance comes, you will write to balance carried down. This is a credit balance. Maybe possible some partner may have debit balance, so this balance will come on the credit side. So this is the format of current account. Here you can see most of the transactions are recorded in current account. Capital account transactions are recorded in the capital account. So these are the two format of capital account and current account as per fixed capital method. Now second method is fluctuating capital account method. In fluctuating capital account method, we record all the transactions only in one account, that is capital account. In this method of capital account, the capital balance does not remain same year after year, but it keeps on changing, because here we prepare only one account, and that is capital account, and all transactions are recorded related to partner in capital account only. So in this method, only one account, that is capital account, is prepared to record the balance of opening capital, introduction of additional capital, withdrawal of capital, permanent capital, drawing made by the partner, interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary to partner, bonus to partner, commission to partner, share in profit, etc. Everything is recorded in capital account only. So the format of capital account would be like this. First, credit side by balance brought down, that is the balance of opening capital. Then by bank or cash, additional capital introduced by the partner, by interest on capital, by salary, by commission to partner, by share in profit. And on debit side, you will write to drawing, to interest on drawing, to bank, that is capital withdrawal by the partner. And finally, you will find a balance that will come on the debit side to balance carried down. So this is a credit balance. So most of the time capital account has credit balance. Now let us see few exercise and we try to solve it. Karan and Arjun are partners in 3:1 ratio. On 1st April 2019, their capital balance fixed at rupees 4 lakh and rupees 5 lakh respectively. On October 1st, Karan introduced additional capital of rupees 1 lakh, whereas Arjun withdrew rupees 50,000 from his capital. The terms of the deed were as under. Interest on capital at 6% per annum. Salary to Karan at rupees 3,000 per month. Commission to Arjun at 5% of net profit after charging interest on capital but before charging his commission. Interest on drawing to be charged at 10% per annum. On 1st April 2019, their balance of current account amounted to rupees 12,000. This is credit balance, and rupees 4,000 debit balance respectively. So this is the balance of current account. Net profit earned by the partners by the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 amounted to rupees 4,55,500. Annual drawings of the partner amounted to rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account and current account. So you can see the exercise. Most of the items are covered in this exercise, and we have to open capital account and current account. So it is a fixed capital account method. Let us see the solution of this exercise. So first, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. On credit side, we will write by profit and loss account, that is net profit 4,55,500. Then interest on drawing will go on the credit side. Calculation we will see later on. Debit side, you will write interest on capital of both the partner, then salary to Karan, then commission to Arjun, and thereafter you will find balance, that is 3,51,000, that is profit, and this profit will be distributed among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. Now let us see how this calculation is done and how to. Let us see working notes, how interest on capital is calculated and how interest on drawing is counted and how commission to Arjun is calculated. So you can see the interest on capital in case of Karan 4 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees, and it is multiplied by 6. So total is coming 54 lakh. Rate of interest on capital is 6%. So 54 lakh into 6 upon 100 into 1 by 12. So it will come 27,000. In case of Arjun, 5 lakh into 6, 4 lakh, 50,000 into 6. So total is coming 57 lakh. On 57 lakh, 6% into 1 by 12. So it is coming 28,500. So by product method, interest on capital is calculated. Separately also you can count. Commission to Arjun, 5% of net profit after charging interest on capital. So 5% of net profit is 4,55,500. From that you minus interest on capital as we calculated above. So it will come 20,000. So it is after charging interest on capital. So interest on capital is subtracted from the net profit. Interest on drawing of both the partner is given 80,000 and 60,000. Rate of interest is 10% on drawing, and as the dates are not given, we take the average of 6 months, so 6 by 12. So it is coming 4,000 and 3,000. So in this way, interest on capital and drawing and commission is calculated. Now partners capital account. In partners capital account, first you will write by balance brought down, opening capital 4 lakh and 5 lakh of both the partner. Then additional capital introduced by Karan by bank 1 lakh rupees. That will go on credit side. In case of Arjun, debit side to bank because he has withdrawn capital 50,000 rupees. So ultimately balance is coming 5 lakh rupees and 4 lakh 50,000 of both the partner. This balance you will show in the balance sheet liability side as partners capital account. So in capital account only these items will come. All other items will go in partners current account. So let us see how partners current accounts are prepared. On credit side, first credit balance of Karan by balance brought down 12,000. On debit side, debit balance of Arjun's current account to balance brought down 4,000. So here you can see one partner has debit balance and one partner has credit balance. On the credit side, we will write interest on capital of both the partner, then salary of Karan, commission of Arjun, share in profit on the credit side. On debit side, you will write interest on drawing, then drawing of both the partner and balance carried down. So in this way, you will get balance of both the partner and both are getting the credit balance. So in this way, current accounts are prepared. Now see the numerical number 2. Amar and Prem are partners in equal ratio. On 1st April 2019, their capital balances are rupees 2,50,000 and 4 lakh respectively. On 1st October 2019, Amar introduced rupees 1 lakh as additional capital, whereas on January 1st, 2020, he withdrew rupees 50,000 from his capital. So he is introduced also and he has withdrawn also. The terms of the deed were as under. Interest on capital at 12% per annum. Interest will not be charged on drawing, very clearly mentioned. Salary to Prem rupees 20,000 per quarter. It is given per quarter. Commission to Amar at 4% on annual turnover. Annual turnover means annual sales. 10% of net profit will be transferred to reserve. Annual drawing of the partner amounted to rupees 25,000 and 40,000 respectively. Annual turnover amounted to rupees 5 lakh. So annual turnover is also given 5 lakh rupees, which is useful for calculating commission to Amar. The net profit earned by the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 amounted to rupees 3,00,000. Now profit and loss appropriation account. Net profit is given 3,05,000. It was not given in the question. It was 3,05,000. On debit side, you will write interest on capital, to salary, to commission, to reserve and to profit. Let us see the working of all these items. First of all, interest on Amar's capital, 2,50,000 for 6 months, April to October, so 15 lakh rupees. 3,50,000 for 3 months, October 1st to January 1st, so 10,50,000. And 3 lakh rupees for 3 months, January to 1st March, 9 lakh. So total is 34,50,000. On 34,50,000 at 12% into 1 by 12, product method is there. So 34,500 is interest on capital. Commission to Amar is 4% of turnover, that is 5 lakh, so it will come 20,000. Reserve 10% of net profit, 3,05,000. So in this way, working also you have to show. Now partners capital account, by balance brought down credit side, capital account balance of both the partners. And it is a fluctuating method because current account balance are not given, so everything will be recorded in partners capital account. Then by bank, additional capital brought by Amar, 1 lakh. Interest on capital, 34,500 and 48,000. Salary of Prem, commission of Amar, profit and loss appropriation, share in profit, 46,000. As the profit sharing ratio is not given, it is distributed equally. To bank on debit side, capital withdrawn by Amar, and to drawing 25,000 and 40,000, on which very clearly mentioned no interest is given. So finally you will get to balance carried down 3,75,500 and 5,34,000 rupees. So here it is very important to understand. You can see the solution again and again, and if you have any doubt, you can put the comment. You have to take care in interest on capital. I have used the product method. By any other method also you can count it. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. I will come with more such videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.